Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury. Comes equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine, paired with the 9-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, panoramic sunroof, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, forward collision alert, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all jet black interior. Right on the bottom here, we're going to have our rear liftgate control right next to our storage. It'll be equipped with a Bose speaker sound system, and that'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows, as well as your seat memory. And you're also going to have the black wood and chrome accents. Moving on to the seats, you're going to have these premium leather power adjustable seats with the Cadillac badging there. Very nice. Left side, you'll have the vents and your parking brake. Left side of the steering wheel, you're going to have your voice recognition as well as your cruise control. And down below on the left side, you'll have forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and your heated steering wheel with the wood and chrome accents. And the right side is your odometer control and as well as your volume control. So with the cluster control, pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your oil life, tire pressure, fuel economy as well, your adaptive cruise, your follow distance, battery voltage, anything you need, as well as music, OnStar navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start. You're going to have your dual zone climate control just right there. And up top onto the infotainment system, like I said, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and other apps downloadable. If you go across, you'll have your OnStar services as well as Amazon Alexa and Spotify and My Cadillac. So you're going to have extra storage on the bottom there with some extra cup holder. Of course, you're going to have the console and your infotainment controls, as well as your traction mode and your drive mode selector with sport, tour, and off-road mode. You're gonna have a wireless charging pad with some extra center console storage with 2 extra USB ports and an SD card reader for navigation. Passenger side, power adjustable, same finish, wood and chrome across the doors and across to the glove box. Speakers up top. Here you can access your OnStar and your SOS, as well as your panoramic sunroof. You're gonna have these 18-inch pearl nickel alloy wheels with the monochrome badging, paint match mirror caps, and chrome keyless entry door handle. Luggage rack up top, deep tint rear glass, dual exhaust tips in the back. As well with the power liftgate, you can add a splitter if you want. You're gonna add extra lamps in the back, LED with some extra hooks, the 60/40 rear folding seats, and as well as extra wheel well storage and tools if you know how to change a tire. It's a very spacious rear. Again, moving on to the rear, the wood and chrome right next to the power windows with your speakers and storage in the bottom. Pop in the back seat. We're gonna have storage behind the passenger and driver's seat with rear storage and ventilation, as well as right here, you're gonna have 2 USB ports, as well as right in the center, cup holder and armrest, lamps and handles on the side. Right above you is that panoramic sunroof. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2022 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury, equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine, as well as premium leather heated seats, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, panoramic sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.